Hi children. Hi. Let's do an activity. Cookies. Here a sheet is there. In that sheet some colors names are there. All of you look here. Here are some colors name. So you have to read out the color but not the words. You have to read the colors only. Colors, not the words. So, for example, look here, it is the spelling of yellow. है ना? This word is yellow, but I don't say the word yellow. I say it pink.
Pink.
Blue.
Blue. Green.
No, red.
Red. Green.
Did you understand?
Okay.
Now let's play.
Okay, miss.
Okay, start. Come on, you start. Try.
Pink. Blue. Red.
Yes.
Green. Black. Pink. Red. Blue. Black. Blue. Green. Black. Orange. Red.
Very good. Claps for her. Come on, you try.
Pink. Blue.
Blue.
Blue. Red. Purple.
Which color is this? Green.
Green.
Black.
Black. Pink. Red. Blue. Black. Blue. Green. Black. Black. Orange. Red.
Very good. Claps for her. Come on, you try.
Pink. Blue. Red. Green. Black. Pink. Red. Black. Yellow.
No. No.
Black.
Which color
Blue.
is this? Yes, blue.
Black.
Yes, very good.
Blue.
Blue.
Green. Black.
Yes.
Black. Orange. Pink.
Very good. Claps.